How's it going, guys? It's Abib here again. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a low inventory reminder flow. This is a new update from Klaviyo, and I believe this flow is going to be a game changer for a lot of e-commerce brands, especially brands that are always running low in inventory. I think this is really going to be a game changer, and I'm going to be showing you exactly how to set up this flow and how you can put it together for your store. So as the title of the flow sounds, it's low inventory reminder flow. So which basically means that whenever an item on your store is running low on inventory, so this flow is going to trigger and it's going to send to people who have already viewed that product or who have already added that product to cart. Like I said, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to set this flow up. So basically to set that up, all you need to do is, go to create flows, right? So just find low inventory, and that will pop up there, and you just want to click on that, and that's gonna create a flow for you. So this is what it's gonna look like, but I'm just gonna show you some triggers and some things you should set up when you're building this flow. So basically, you click on the trigger, you click on edit trigger. So the first one here is the product level, and the second one is product variant level. So this basically means that the first one, which is the product level, means that this is going to be based on the kind of product, based on any kind of product on your store. So this could be like, product that doesn't have variants. So let's say you're selling wristwatch as an example, or you're selling phone cases. So these kind of products might not have a variant, but let's say you're selling something like a t-shirt that have different variants or different colors. So that's basically the difference between product level and product variant level. So again, if you're selling something like a skincare product, one product without different variants, you can just go with the product level. But if you have products with different variants, you can choose this one. But just to explain the product level, so here you can see the one said started checkout, view items, and added to cart. So those are the three triggers you can use to, trigger this flow. So inventory threshold, this basically means that how many units of product do you want left in your inventory for this flow to trigger. So here as an example, it's 30 units. So as soon as you have 30 units of products left, this flow is going to trigger. But you can also change that to whatever you want. It could be 5, it could be whatever, but by default it's 30. So as soon as your inventory are running low and it's at 30, this flow is going to trigger basically. So that's the 30 unit, and it says low inventory profile requirement. So this means that people won't enter this flow if they've purchased this item in the last 30 days or if it's out of stock. So let's start with this one. Select our profile, engage with the item. So do you want people to enter this flow, or do you want this flow to trigger, for people who have started checkout with the item, or viewed product, or added the item to cart? You can select 3 of them, or you can select 2, you can select 1. So this means that the only people that will enter this flow are people who have, started checkout with that product. Or it could be people who have viewed that product, or people who have added that product to the cart. I think to be on a safe side without bombarding people, you can just have added to cart or started checkout. I think those two are fine. An engagement time frame means that as this person bought this product in the last 30 days, which you can also change or whatever you want. But I think 30 days is a safe space. So anybody who have bought this product in the last 30 days won't receive any email or SMS from this flow. So that's basically what that means. Again, you can change it to whatever works for you. But I think the standard is pretty fine. So you can just save that, and here there's also email and SMS, so you can have that if you want. If you're doing SMS, you can just leave it like that, and you can just set up the email. So this is what the email looks like. Very simple. So there's a dynamic block already, which is going to be showing the exact products we're talking about. So that's already built out in Klaviyo. You can change the copy to whatever you want. You can also have a call to action there, right? So it's a very simple flow, very easy to set up. So that's basically it. And like I said, this block is dynamic, is going to populate automatically, and you can always add your design, change the copy if you want. So that's basically how to set up the flows. If you have any question, you can leave them in the comment section below. And if you find this video valuable, please like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.